Hello everyone, I am Jason Melibres, a BCHM third year student. So today I will prepare a recipe from African cuisine with emphasis on Kenyan cuisine. So this dish is called Nyama Choma with Kachumbari salad. So for the ingredients of our Nyama Choma, we have here the beef, the vegetable oil, the lime juice, the garlic and ginger paste, 1 cup of water, salt and pepper to taste. So before we grill our beef, we need to marinate it first with a mixture of lemon juice, ginger, and garlic paste. In a separate bowl, mix the ginger and garlic paste and lemon juice. Then pour the mixture over the meat to marinate it. Cover the meat or the beef and leave for 2 hours to marinate completely. So while waiting for the beef to marinate, let us prepare the Kachumbari salad. So for the ingredients, we need to have the onions, the tomatoes, the chopped pepper, and the parsley. And these potatoes serve as the starch food. Soak the onion in cold water for 10 minutes, then drain and pan dry. So at this moment, since we have prepared all the ingredients for the kachumbari salad, so let us mix all of them together in a bowl. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the ingredients. Season with salt to taste, then cover and refrigerate for 20 minutes before serving. First, heat your pan to be very hot. Next, spread the cooking oil over the meat and place it in the pan. Then next, the dissolved salt and water, sprinkle it over the meat while cooking. Then flip the meat over on all sides until the outside is soft and the inside cooks well. So once the meat is completely cooked, remove it from the pan and serve hot. So at this moment, let's now have our plating presentation. So at this moment, we will have now our taste test. So this dish is called Nyama Choma with Kachumbari salad. But before we proceed on testing, first let me describe my dish. So on the right side, I put the kachumbari salad. On the left side, I put the grilled beef. And on the upper, I put the potato wedges. And I garnish it with a whole of parsley. So you can taste now.
Okay.
Let
For me, this dish is good. It's very good. The meat is so tender and well marinated. You can really taste the ginger and garlic paste, and as well as the salad. Um, it's a little spicy, but it really tastes good, and it is a very good combination with the potato wedges. How about you?
For me, the meat is also tastes good. It's a perfect combination with salad, like what you said. And for the potato wedges, it's well baked. You know? So that would be all for this video, and see you in the next cooking session.